In this part, we'll be discussing about the different types of the megafossils, which we have seen in our previous session. So, speaking about the first type, that is compression. The name itself gives us an idea that the organism or a plant body is compressed. For example, if you're going to take a cloth, wet cloth, for example, containing water, if you hold in your hand and you are going to compress it, compression results what? All the water is being squeezed out. Why? You are creating a pressure on that piece of cloth. The same thing happens here. For example, the plant or the plant part gets buried where? In the sediments. Now the sediments go on accumulating over the that part plant or the organism. Accumulation of these sediments is going to create a pressure. This pressure will squeeze out the air and the watery content out and causes the plant tissue to compress completely. Now the buried part becomes flat due to compression. The compression, because of compression, the outer structure may be destroyed, but the internal structures will be on the safer side. So you can take sections and go through the anatomical features. For example, if the stem is being compressed, internal parts like xylem, phloem and cambium are visible in case of compression. So this is an image of compression. Now speaking about impression or imprint fossils. To understand this one, the best example will be, you will be having a dough at home. Out of the dough, your mom or your sister will be preparing chapatis and rotis. You just take a small part of the dough and press something on it. What is the result? Result is nothing but whatever the things which you have pressed on that dough, the same print you will be getting on that dough. That is nothing but imprint or impression. These fossils are just impression of the plant parts on the sediments. So the image which gives us this idea is here. These are the impression. So this is the leaf of a cycas which has been impressed on this rock. So these fossils are just impression of the plants on the sediments. These fossils are useful in studying the external features, like you can go through the venation, you can see various parts of the leaf. Organic material is completely destroyed, but the imprint remains. Very good fossils for the study of a morphological character like shape, size, margin. You can even make out what is the shape of the cycas leaf, size you can make out. You can even make out the margins, how the margins were. You can make out the midrib here. Even the venations can be studied. So this is nothing but impression. Thank you.